Good day. Well, today is just a little video to show everyone how to do our Adap Atap conversion, how to convert your old type pillar taps to a mixer. We supply a kit. The kit comes with the following. It's a cover ring, cover plate. It's a little converter, normal pillars, elbows, and then this little guide to help you drill straight later on. You will need to buy your own mixer, and you will need a 54mm hole saw. You'll also need some plumber's tape and a 32mm spanner, or a shifting spanner, or a monkey wrench for that matter. Today, for all intents and purposes, this is the bath area. My taps has already been cut just to save some time. I'm still going to explain to you how it's going to happen, and the demo will follow. So please bear with us. We're going to quickly assemble this in a few seconds. Ronan will start off. We need to firstly take out the existing head part. I'm going to do it on this side. So you turn this out. Once you have a bare tap like that, obviously it's going to have a spout on still. You need to turn that little fitting into place, like we show you there. That needs to be fastened with thread tape on the threads, and you just tighten that firmly down so that you don't have any leaks later on. We almost forgot to show you how to drill here. Before we tighten this one, let's do this. This little guide, it will turn into the tap where you have unscrewed the top part of it. Now the drill in your hole saw just fits in the center of that, and you drill down like Ronan will show to us just now. Like I said, mine is already cut, but this is just to show you how. When you have sawed successfully through the spout and the spout has fallen off, you'll have to drill a little bit slower and more careful so you don't drill right through the bath. Cast iron bath is not a big problem, but if it's a fiberglass bath, you can easily drill this hole saw right through it. So when you get to this stage where we are now, please keep in mind, be careful, drill slow, don't be in a hurry. You'll see when you get to this stage, really be careful, just inch a little bit at a time until you just touch the bath. Okay, once you have achieved this, that is the next step that you will need to do. Turn that adapter into the existing tap. From there, all you need to do is fasten this with your 32mm spanner, like we wanted to show you just a bit earlier. Once tight, you're going to use this cover ring and plate, and I will show to you how to fit this now. This just slides over. Once slidden over there, the cover plate fits on top of that. You take the S connection. The S connection just turns in to that section now. Obviously this gives you the distance exactly between the two ends of your mixer. So this will need to be set up accordingly. We will turn this until both of them reaches this mixer. Remember to put thread tape at the bottom of this as well. From there, connect your elbows. The elbow simply turns in there. You can turn it until you get the desired angle and look of it where you need it. This turns onto that, no thread tape needed. There's a rubber in there normally. This then turns onto the S connection with the elbow, and there you go, one side is done. I haven't tightened up anything yet because the other side needs to be repeated as well. Hope this was helpful. Have a good day and enjoy fitting your new taps.